Hello everyone, welcome to Shada Cook. Today we are making instant green chili pickle. This is a Rajasthani pickle. It's very popular in Rajasthan and it's very easy and quick. So we're going to start by taking 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. It gives a very nice flavor to the pickles. Heat the oil and then we're going to add some fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon of cumin powder, cumin seeds, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds. All these things gives a very nice flavor to the achar. Next we're going to add pinch of hing. Now let's add in our green chilies. And now we're going to mix it well. Now let's add in our spices. We are going to start by adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder, 2 teaspoons of mustard powder, and mustard powder gives a very nice flavor to the pickles. Now let's mix it all well. Now let's cover it and we need to cook it for more 2 minutes at low flame. So it's nicely cooked. It does not take more than 2 minutes to get cooked properly and has become nice and soft, and all the masalas and everything has got nice and cooked. So we can turn on the flame. It's ready. So there our instant green chili pickle is ready, and you have just seen it takes no time. You can enjoy it with parathas, theplas, rotis, anything. It's really tasty. So definitely try it. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Also, we have more pickle videos on our channel, so you can check it out on Shada Cook channel. And I'll also link it down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.